Weather Service in League City has issued a tornado warning for north central Fort Bend County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Waller County in southeastern Texas, northwestern Harris County in southeastern Texas, until 12:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 12:10 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Katy, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near northwestern Eldridge or West Oaks around 12:20 p.m. Central Standard Time. Addicks Park 10 and Cypress around 12:25 p.m. Central Standard Time. Jersey Village, Spring Branch West, Carverdale, Fairbanks, or Northwest Crossing and West Branch around 12:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Willowbrook, Greater Inwood, Central Northwest, and Langwood around 12:35 p.m. Central Standard Time. Hidden Valley and Acres Home around 12:40 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Addicks and Memorial. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National